Hi guys, this is Dean from ABA and we're making the following announcement. We are going to open more face-to-face classes in June 2022 to cover for more ACCA exams. We have had amazing success with our classes in March. The students gave us a lot of good feedback. They were really happy that now there are face-to-face classes in Seoul for the ACCA. So we will be covering much more exams this June. So we will be covering the following exams: BT, MA, FA, LW, PM, TX, FR, AA, FM, SBL, SBR, APM, and AFM. So basically, we will not be covering AAA and ATX. But if you plan to study both AAA or ATX in June, still let us know, because maybe we'll have some place in the class to be able to do these courses. Also, it is very important that you book your seat early, because we have a limited number of books. We only order a limited quantity of books for each subject. So if we don't have a book for you for the class, you will not be able to attend the class. You will not be able to register. So please book in advance so we can order the books in advance. Each ACCA course that we will do will be for 3 months. So from June until September. So it will start at the beginning of June and it will end just before the first week of September, where there will be the exams. All right. Every course there will be one class per week of 2.5 hours. The classes will be outside of business hours. So during the weekdays, we will do the classes in the evenings. And during the weekends, the classes will be throughout the day. There will be no strong English accent. I will speak very clearly. We'll go over every concept, every theory. We'll cover the whole syllabus. And I'll try to translate and explain every difficult word or words that are specific to British vocabulary. Okay. So when you join a class, you will get the following items. First, you will get a calculator. So this is the calculator. It looks like this. This one. Yeah. Then you will get a little bit of stationery. For example, highlighters. A pen, a writing pad, a nice printed poster calendar from the ACCA for scheduling your studies for 2022. Yeah, so this is very nice. And of course, the book, right? So this is my copy. That's why you have the stickers there. But you will get a fresh copy from BPP. And this is what we will use during the class. We will cover the full syllabus, okay? So there used to be a time where you had to leave Korea, to go outside of Korea to do the ACCA. No longer the case. You can do everything right here in Korea now. You can do it while you're working full-time in your current job or company in Gangnam or Yoyo or Seoul, and still plan and study for your exams while you're in Korea. You don't have to go abroad anymore. So now your question is, so why don't I just study the ACCA with an online course? Well, you can if you want to. There is thousands of online courses online for the ACCA exams. But the problem with online courses is this. First, the teacher cannot see if you understand properly. The ACCA has a lot of information, right? Look at the book. So the teacher will not know if you're actually swimming or if you're drowning. Second, the teacher will be able to answer your questions live. Or just in online courses, maybe they don't even answer at all. And number 3, the teacher will be able to correct your answers. So especially for the higher exams, professional skills exams, you'll have to write essay answers in your exam. So the teacher will give you feedback, will correct your thesis, dissertation answers, and you'll be able to practice a lot and have feedback coming back to you. Number 4 is that coming every week to class, having a schedule, having real classes, pushes you, gives you discipline, gives you structure, and forgive me, but I believe that Koreans like this, to have some sort of structure. And online classes, unfortunately, don't give you that. And I will also add that usually pass rates are much higher for face-to-face classes for these reasons, obviously. Now, the final schedule for each class on each day has not been finalized yet. We will publish it just before June, so just expect that the classes will be in the evenings on the weekdays and during the day during Saturday or Sunday. Remember that we have a limited number of books and we need to order the books in advance, so please register as early as possible so we can confirm and validate your seat and your class. And finally, when you're ready to sign up for the class, you will find all the links down below the video to register, and I will see you in Gangnam in June.